In this video, uncover a tool that can send your YouTube growth soaring into the stratosphere. Welcome to the world of vidiq, your secret weapon for keyword research and channel analysis. Unlocking the power of vidiq starts with a simple step: creating an account. With just a few clicks, you'll be diving into a treasure trove of data that can revolutionize your YouTube strategy. Once you've logged in, the first tool to explore is keyword research. This isn't your average keyword tool. vidiq digs deeper, revealing not just search volume, but also competition levels. So, how do you use it? Start by typing a keyword into the search bar. vidiq will serve up a wealth of data. You'll see the average number of searches per month, the competition score, and even a keyword score that combines these two figures to give you a clear picture of the potential for ranking. But it doesn't stop there. vidiq also provides related keywords, giving you even more opportunities to reach your audience. So go ahead, dive into this data, and find those high-potential keywords that will get your videos seen. Now, let's move on to channel analysis. This is where vidiq really shines. With this tool, you can analyze any YouTube channel, not just your own. Simply enter the channel's URL into the search bar. vidiq will then serve up a detailed report, including a channel score based on views, subscribers, and engagement. You'll also get historical data, allowing you to see trends over time. This is invaluable information. Use it to understand which types of content resonate with audiences and tailor your own videos for maximum impact. In addition, vidiq offers a host of other features. There's a video scorecard that analyzes individual videos, a trend alerts feature that notifies you of trending keywords in your niche, and even a tool that helps you optimize your video descriptions for SEO. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of vidiq. But remember, the real magic happens when you start using these tools to refine your YouTube strategy. So why wait? Experience the power of vidiq today. Unleash your YouTube potential and watch your channel growth skyrocket. The sky's the limit with vidiq. Make it your secret weapon for YouTube success.